Alright, this is the 1750 PSI pressure washer from Harbor Freight Tools, where I buy a lot of my stuff. So you're going to get this piece that goes in here like this. You have to push and twist it, and that locks that in. And then this piece, the hose that comes with it, it goes down here at the bottom. Right here. Make sure it's all the way in. And then screw that down. That's that. And now then you take this piece and put it in here. Push that in, it locks it in. So now that's assembled. The other end is pretty simple. You just take the cord and plug it into the wall. But now I haven't used this part right here. This is for your chemicals. So I'm just looking here to see how this works. Because I've used a pressure washer, but I've never used this thing. So now I'm assuming this goes in here like this. And now you can spray the chemical on here. And then you got to change the knot. Then you got to change this back. Now the old one I had a hose that came out here and it siphoned the material. And you didn't have to do this part here. So this is new to me. So I'm going to move the camera way back over there. Put some solution in here that I've got. Put it on all this stuff before I pressure wash. So let's see how that works. Also right here is the off and on. The water from the water faucet connects right here. And then this just screws on the back right here. So now I got to go around the corner and turn the water back on. No leaks. So now I'm going to move you back. So now let's see how this thing's going to work. Now I got this outdoor bleach, Moxie outdoor bleach. It's supposed to be for patios and stuff like that. So it's kind of thick. Let's see how that works. So I managed to spill a little bit, but it should be okay. Okay, we're going to turn it on. So now let's see what happens. So it's working pretty good, but it went through that little bottle very fast. I'm wondering if there's a way to adjust that. Because that was, that went through it like that. So I'm going to put a little bit more in here and try it again. I'm going to let that stay on there and soak for a little bit this time while I come over here and get the other part of the house in the gate. If you want to see, I'll let you see. It's a little bit of a mess over here. I'm going to try to clean it up a little bit. All that solution's gone, so now I'm going to put the pressure washing tip on it and go over some of this stuff a little bit better. That fence is stained pretty good. I don't think it's going to get much better. I may have to put some pure bleach on it, which is not good. Okay, let's work on these tiles a little bit, see how they're going to turn out. That stuff's stuck on there pretty good, so I don't think you want to sit here and watch me do all these, but I'll fast forward it through all this because this is silly. It's taking too long. So I'm going to take a break from this for a minute, but one thing you do need to know, when you're pressure washing your patio like this with pavers, after you get done and it dries out a little bit, you got to take some of this sand, put sand in here and put sand between all these joints again, because when you pressure wash it, you're blowing some of that sand out, and that sand keeps these tiles locked together so they don't start moving on you. So once I get done with this, I have to do that again. But anyway, I'll be back with you in a minute after I get done with this part. There's still some spots over there that, I don't know, they're just real hard to get off. I'm going to put a little bleach on them and leave it, see if it'll get it, but that's about the best I can do with this pressure washer. And now I got to re-sand all that and fill in all the cracks again. And that's going to be pretty much it. So thanks for watching. Don't forget to give a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. And hey, I'll have another video for you soon. You guys have an awesome day. And this is Harold signing off, baby. See you on the next one. Yeah.